Hello, everybody. My name is Kostas Albanidis, and I would like to show you a problem that appeared the last days, and I had several reports. Okay, to websites with WordPress, there is an issue that the site when you click the site, let's say here, in fact, I tried to recreate the problem so that I can show you. When you click the website, you might be redirected to a wrong site, or your site is not gonna load. You see that here there is a problem, and in fact, lately we see that it directs to this particular site, awaitrackersline.com. That has to do with an update. At the moment, it seems to be an update from the site builder Elementor. So one way is to deactivate Elementor, but I guess you need it so that your site is running smoothly. So I'm gonna show you an easy and fast way to resolve this problem. Okay, so you connect to your favorite platform that from where you can manage your website. Let's see that. Okay, here I will show you the way to resolve the problem using our favorite program, CWP Pro, and that's a project of CWP7 program. In fact, here we see the client page, and here we're gonna move to databases, and we're gonna open phpMyAdmin. Okay, as you can see, we see our database. To the database, you just have to go to your WordPress database, the one that has to do with a particular site. To our case, it's this one. And here you navigate to the main and one of the most important tables that is used from WordPress, and this is WP options. Okay, let's go to options, and as you can see, I am over here. Okay, you open the WP options, and as you can see from an automated update, this line is changed, and now it shows awaitrackersline.com. So that makes our website unusable. We have to change this line with the correct one. Okay, and we save the settings. Now we have to clean the cache from our browser, or just close and reopen our browser to see the change and to see that our website is working normally. I can show you how to change. I can clean everything here. Okay, we go back to our site, and now we write again the website, and as you're gonna see, the problem is already solved. Now we have our website working normally. You can see that. That is all about, and I hope you're gonna fix your problem easily. If you need any more assistance, please write it to the comments. I'm gonna be around here to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.